Hello students, today in our essay writing unit we are going to be looking at body paragraphs and topic sentences. So again, here's our outline of our essays. So for body paragraphs we have topic sentences, examples, quotes, evidence, explanations, and transitions. So this is the further breakdown of a body paragraph. First we have a topic sentence. This is a sentence that begins the paragraph. It should state what the paragraph will be about, and it shouldn't have any quotations. Next we have examples, quotes, and evidence. Your examples will be your quotes and paraphrase information that help you support your topic sentence and prove your thesis statement. Next are explanations. Your explanation needs to dig deeper and explain the connection between your topic sentence and your evidence. If you get stuck, focus on explaining a word or phrase from the quote. And finally, we have transitions and conclusions. Use this area to transition from one topic to the next if you are writing an essay, or provide a concluding statement. Alright, so here's an example. First we have if we go back to the slide, first in blue we have our topic sentence, which states, "The traffic light is one of society's most efficient inventions because it helps manage traffic and conserve fuel." Then we have examples, quotes, and evidence. So according to phys.org, synced or connected traffic lights can conserve fuel as much as 20%. Then we have our explanations. So when traffic lights are properly synced, motorists spend less time idling at red lights, which leads to less fuel consumption. And finally, we have our transition or conclusion. In addition to saving fuel, effective traffic light placement also saves lives. Alright, now let's jump into topic sentences. Topic sentence is a single sentence located at the beginning of each body paragraph that expresses the main idea of the paragraph. Think of it as a label for the body paragraph. Readers should know what the paragraph will be about simply by reading the topic sentence. A good topic sentence will be a single declarative sentence, convey the main idea of the paragraph, be precise, use precise and specific words, be brief, only include important information, and be clear. Alright, so a topic sentence and a thesis statement are different. A topic sentence is located in the beginning of a body paragraph that expresses the main idea of just the body paragraph in which it is located. Topic sentences do not need to present an argument. Thesis statements are a single sentence located at the end of the essay's introductory paragraph that express the main idea of the essay. Thesis statements should be arguable and spark conversation. So a poor topic sentence will be vague and include vague words. You want to make sure that you are specific. Include facts or quotes. That's something you want to avoid. Include information from other paragraphs. This paragraph should be focused on one central idea. Be too broad or include generalizations, and include phrases like "this paragraph will be about" and "in this paragraph I will write about." So here is our example of a poor topic sentence. "The traffic light is a great invention." It's just a little bit too vague. So here's the good example. "The traffic light is one of society's most efficient inventions because it helps manage traffic and conserve fuel." So let's go ahead and look at this. This is what your assignment is going to look like. So I want you to think, why are these poor topic sentences? And you'll analyze each of the following topic sentences and revise them so that it is one strong, clear sentence. So a good supporting example, this is our next part of our body paragraph. A good supporting example will support the topic sentence and thesis statement, include facts, quotes, and details, and be directly related to the main point in which you are trying to establish. A poor supporting example will not be related to the paper, not help you make your point or prove your argument, only restate conventional wisdom, and not add any significant value to the paper. So here again we have an example of a poor example. So the poor topic sentence is, "The traffic light is one of society's most efficient inventions because it helps manage traffic and conserve fuel. In fact, the traffic light helps save lives." So here we can see our good example gives more information that is more factual. Explanations. After you state your topic sentence and provide an example, you will want to explain your example. The explanation is your own words connecting your example to your topic sentence to prove a point. A good explanation will be written in your own words. Link the example to the topic sentence. Help link multiple examples together and present the audience with thought-provoking information. A poor explanation will simply restate the topic sentence, not advance your argument, only restate conventional wisdom, and include words and phrases like "this proves that" and "this quote shows that." Alright, and here we have our final good example. So a good example of the explanation is when traffic lights are properly synced, motorists spend less time idling at red lights, which leads to less fuel consumption. And finally, we have our transition and closing. Once you have provided adequate examples and explanations, you will complete each body paragraph with either a transition or a concluding statement. Using transitions when you have more body paragraphs to write, and then use closing statements when you complete your last body paragraph. A good transition will logically link one topic to another, inform the reader that you have additional points, and lead into the next body paragraph. A poor transition will restate the next body paragraph's topic sentence and provide the audience with too much information. And here we can see a good example. In addition to saving fuel, effective traffic light placement also saves lives. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at our assignment for today, which is the topic sentence analyzing and revising worksheet. So here's a little reminder. A good topic sentence will be a single declarative sentence, convey the main idea of the paragraph, be precise and use precise and specific words, be brief, only include important information, and be clear. So directions state: read and analyze each topic sentence, list what is incorrect in the middle column, and write a revised topic sentence in the column on the right. So you've got 3 sentences here. I want you to identify what's incorrect about these topic sentences. So make sure that you're trying to hit all 3 of these, or all 5 of these, and then write a revised topic sentence for all 3 in the far right column. As always, email me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.